Good morning. Even in beautiful places, chores need to be done. It's time to get some laundry done, so let's go do it. The workday is over. I cut myself shaving. I just need a band-aid. Let's go find some adventure. Adventure if you can. So as far as I know, this is the only McDonald's that has a blue arches instead of the golden arches here in Sedona. I just want to show that to you. Wasn't that fun? I thought that was fun. All right, got my hat this time, so hopefully I won't get sunburnt as badly. Let's go find what trail this is. It's also important that when you're walking around all these amazing places, you keep up your strength. I like fruit and, you know, things that are good for you, because you can't burn all these calories and not replenish them, because, you know, you gotta.
So we went this way and that's when it happened.
Not too bad, right? All right, hey, as I, continue to find new and amazing people around the world, this lovely lady is from Romania and she lives in the city, so I'm going to ask her the same question I ask everybody. What's better, the city or the country?
I think both.
Okay, why?
For different reasons.
Okay, what are your reasons?
I think the city is good to create the resources to be able to come to this kind of places.
Okay.
To travel the world.
Okay. That's your answer? Thank you.
And then you have to go to the countryside to recharge your batteries.
Oh, there you go.
It's always like that. It's round. It's like a loop, you know.
Romance on the rocks. It's amazing. All right, just met another great guy. Where are you from?
Chicago.
Chicago, so city.
Yeah.
Have you ever lived in the country?
No, never ever.
Okay, how many times have you been out of the city into the country?
Like a real rural area and
Yeah,
stuff.
like this.
Jeez.
I have.
Yeah, there. I mean, a good handful of times.
Okay. What's nice about the city versus what's nice about rural?
Oh man, just being in the rural side, the stillness, the quietness, you know, the pace. I like the peace. And the city's cool. You got a lot of people and everything, but it's good to have that solitude in the country.
I don't disagree at all.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
You want to face your fears?
I'm gonna go stand in the middle. That's facing my fears.
Let's go.
Wait, okay, stay.
Well, that was pretty busy, but pretty, right? That is Devil's Bridge, another popular place here in Sedona. Let's go find out what's next. So I've been trying to eat at this this Thai place for about a week now, and like it was either snowing or closed for some other reason. So now I'm totally getting this Thai food. I can't wait. And after a long day of adventuring, it's time for the hot tub. Another wonderful work day complete, and met some friends here. So I'm actually going to go hiking with people. Hey, that's what happens sometimes. So let's go find out where that is. We're sitting here checking out this thing over here where yesterday where I took you with Devil's Bridge, we can see that from here. Very, very tiny.
Trail, yeah. Under the rocks.
What brings you to this amazing place?
The mountain biking trails.
Of course.
Of course, yes.
That's the trail, all that water. Looking for a better place to cross. This might be it. Look at this balance here. Red rock?
Is that one slippery or is it good?
It's fine.
And then over to there.
Yep.
Maybe not. All right, hold on. Okay, hold on. Yeah,
Don't worry if you fall, I got it on YouTube.
okay, all right.
Oh, there you go. All right.
Minimal. I think you can.
Which is my next birthday?
Yeah.
iPad.
Like, what do I think you should get?
Yeah.
Another trailhead found by foot.
1 out of 1.
So what happened? Why are we doing that with your shoe?
I stepped in the water twice and it got completely wet.
This is a very scientific air dryer here.
Only with my one shoe.
You need to. Cool. Nice job. Right. What if you need? Oh.
It's that way. Good information.
Or to like really capture it.
What do you think? Definitely worth the walk, right?
Only choose one. Oh, sorry. More like over like 5,000 or 7,000.
Pretty amazing. Look at this twisted tree.
Yeah. Figure out the beautiful here though. Yeah. Don't block my face, dude.
All right, that's it. Let's see what's next. I won't be able to do it in time.
Wait, can you move up so I can? Oh, no.
Well, that was a pretty full day, wasn't it? Not sure how well you guys can see that over there, but it's the full moon rising up over that mountain over there. Pretty cool. I gotta tell you what, like after a really nice long hike like that today, I'm real grateful that I have a hot tub at my disposal tonight. So let's go get that done. It's my last full day at the resort. It's been fantastic. It really has. Sedona is just wonderful. Tomorrow is another start of a great overlanding adventure. I'm looking forward to it. But might as well take care and use this pool in the great sunshine one more time. All right, let's see what's happening next.